Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlock course hero documents for free. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser. Over here, type in Zoom mods and search for it. After that, go to the website and search for course hero mod. Then download the course hero mod from the site. Over here, install the modded version. You don't need the original course hero app for this. So that's basically how you can unlock course hero documents for free. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.